So Neil, a bit of fun here today after a bit of a break.
Yeah, look, it's been since Border Rangers last year, so it's been 12 odd months, and I've just been so busy I just don't have time, but I'm absolutely having a ball and thoroughly enjoying it, and got all these Irish Escorts pushing me hard.
And I know this is all about fun, but certainly having a look at those times.
Yeah, absolutely. Look, of course we're enjoying it, but you still want to be competitive, and when you haven't done it for a while, you start to worry whether you're getting too old or dropping off or whatever, but seems like I'm still going all right.